Alright, tubers. Here she is again. You haven't seen this since the beginning.
Since day one.
Since day one. Do a fire up. Alright, let's go drive this bastard. Huh.
Your wife.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not since the wheeling day.
Yeah.
Jesus. That was a while ago too.
Think the hermits have came out of their shell yet?
Nope. Doesn't look like it.
Fucking nuts, dude.
I agree. I think you're right there.
That
best care.
And they just go through the gates.
I like the carb, but it's the same shit that I've read about online. Oh, I got a hesitation in my fucking Holly. What's the problem? It's this fucking spring, and you can see it too. Well, that was an eventful trip to fucking Walmart. Over. Come on.
No, sorry.
Kind of at that point, I don't think you really cared. Everybody thinks that a guy in a lifted truck is just a dick. Like that guy fucking kind of snarled at me when he was been going.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that thing? That's a fucking Prius.
No, it's a Yaris.
No, that was a Prius.
Yaris?
No, it was a fucking Prius. It said Prius on the back.
Oh, it was pink.
I know.
There was a dude driving.
Right. No. I guess I could parallel park the right way.
The snow's almost gone. It's almost there.
We're close.
Shit.
I love my power steering pump. Maybe not the right way to parallel park, but you know what? Caught him fucking jet.
Apparently. Yep. That's about right.